Hi viewers, welcome back to my tutorial. Hope you enjoyed my previous tutorial. So again I am telling you, if you don't like my new playlist, so you have to like it, then watch video tutorials and today in this tutorial I brought a lot of things. First I will create party poster design, how to create, what is the size of party poster design, and then how to create mockup party poster design for Fiverr gig. So these are the main topics in this tutorial. So don't miss my this tutorial. So let's go to our tutorial. So yes, viewers, now you are on screen. I will take artboard or A4 size, but I will use RGB color because I am just using for digital purpose, not for printing. Okay, so before I told you, first I will create party poster and then how to mock up for Fiverr gigs. So these two main topics is present in our tutorial. So let's go to our tutorial. First, I will use a lot of images. So you can download these images from any website. These are the websites you can download from anywhere. This is depend on you. The main thing is that your creativity is must strong. Now I just drag this image. I press Ctrl T, and then I want to increase its size. I want to increase more. Okay, and then I want to increase this. Now I want to change its color mode. I want to change its color mode. This one is amazing, better. Okay, then I will drag this image. Just drag it again. Plus Control T. Increase its size. Increase it little bit. I want to increase more. Now it's enough. Okay, and then again. Wait. I want to disappear these images, so I won't be confused. Now I want to drag this image. If you are confused again, I am dragging just images. So before I told you, you can download these images from any website. This is not a big problem or big issue. You have to need just creativity and nothing else. Okay, I increase its size and then I will change its color mode. I want to change just its color mode. First, I want to increase its size more. I want to increase its size more. And which one is better? First, this one is not good. I think this one is amazing, fantastic. But the reason is that you have to check every images will be up here. This one is a little bit amazing, but not good. And then now this one is good. Okay, this one is perfect. Sorry. Okay, this one is amazing. Well, I want to change its color mode. A little bit I want to change it. Which one is better and suitable? No, this one is not good. Now I see you feel bored, but this is not a simple or easy tips. This is very difficult. So that's why I am creating. Now I want to take. Sorry. Now it's amazing. Perfect. Just increase little bit its size. Otherwise, our picture is ready now. Sorry, I open a different image and press Ctrl T. Now it's better. Then again increase it. Okay, so now it's good. Now next step is I took already text. So first I will take text in which area this text comes. So now first I will drag this one. Just increase its size. Increase it. I want to put on top this text. I want to put on top. Okay, and increase its size. Just increase it, and then one thing more. Little bit you have to align it. This is also difficult, and then come to this here, take this one, take it and drag it. Sorry, just drag it and press here. Press Control T, increase its size, increase it. And also change this square blending mode. Which one is better? You have to change it little bit. You, if you know. Now I see this one is better. And first I want to disappear these text which I took, and then I will take this one. Now I am telling you what's the issue. I am telling just how to, what is the way how to do increase it. Just increase its size. How to make, okay, and increase its size. But my goal, the goal is that how to mock up for Fiverr gigs. That's why again I will change its blending mode. This one is better, and then disappear these image. Okay, now these text are remaining. These are, sorry, just drag it and paste here. So our poster is ready, just mockup is remaining. Before I told you mockup is necessary especially for Fiverr gigs. Okay, this is ready now. I want to just export it and then uh, drag it here. Yes, yours. So last thing is remaining. Mockup size you have to take Fiverr. Mockup size is 1269 width and 769 height. This is Fiverr mockup size. First, I will take one amazing image where I create mockup. So here I come to website where this is Pinterest. This is amazing website. I will take this background. So this is, I want to just copy it and come to Photoshop, just paste Control V and also Control T, increase its size. Just increase it, okay? And then you have to export that image which we created. This one, just slash embedded. Where I exported, there I exported. Let me show you. This one, okay? Just slash embedded. It automatically places it, okay? And this is depend on you, what kind of mockup you have to create, which one is interesting. So I want to create one mockup copy is there corner. First I want to decrease this size, decrease it, okay, and one copy is there, sorry, and one copy is there, this corner. But remember one thing, these two image I want to blur. Just come to filter. This is easy tips. A lot of tutorials I told you. Gaussian blur, blur it. This is little bit decrease it, blurriness, decrease it. Okay, good. Same tips you apply here. Blur, Gaussian blur, blur it. Okay. So here I want to give shadow. Double click on this layer. You have to double click. You've seen drop shadow. I want to show preview. See little bit. See little bit. You will know. And I also give shadow this layer. Double click, drop shadow, see, great. And give to this layer, double click, sorry, I want to click different layer, double click, this layer is remaining, this last one, okay. Last tips is remaining, it's easy, just click this layer, background. I want to blur its background, so sorry, come to filter, blur, Gaussian blur. you have to blur it. This one I want to blur more and more. Okay, and decrease its opacity less. So see, our mockup is ready. Just export it in PNG. When you upload on Fiverr gigs, this is suitable and perfect mockup. This is my tutorial. Yes, viewers, this is my tutorial. If you don't understand any kind of things, if you have any question, you can put your question on my comment box. And again, I'm telling you, if you don't like my new playlist, so you have go to like it and watch amazing tutorials. And at last, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe it, press notification button, and then you will receive my new information early. So this is for today. See you next time. Bye bye.